10-4.
Alright, we're ready.
Come on up with me, Dave. Get up ahead then. I'll get the left, you get the right.
10-4.
Give me both lanes all the way down, Ken.
Yeah, 10-4.
Watch the one coming up behind you there, Dave.
10-4. Jerry, how do you want to work the 2-lane? I'll be over on the shoulders the best I can get.
10-4. I'm coming up with Dave here. We'll get her all for you. Bruce, you want to take my spot? Don't let anybody around.
Copy. Bill Green has come around the corner. Yeah, white man walking still, so we might make it.
Watch the sign on the right side here.
Red light has come around the corner. Back to the 2-lane.
Okay, Kenny, bring her out. I'll fall in behind here and give you 2 back.
10-4. Come on over, Jerry, anytime you want.
Get on the ramp, Bruce. I'll fall in behind you.
Clear the road sign and the other sign. Go ahead, Jerry.
I got one for you, Kenny. After the silver Hyundai, I got the second. Bring her out. I got the left if we need it here for ramp traffic too. We'll just keep it here.
Okay, Jerry, I'm going to come towards you just a bit then.
You got her. How's it looking around the bend there, Dave?
All clear for right now. The pylons are well off the road here.
All right, opening up the left here, Ken.
Yeah, 10-4, bring it over or something. We will use the shoulder on down here with those flashing lights. Those Jersey barriers are going to come out.
After the silver pickup, bring her over.
Thank you. I'm going to hold her here, Jerry, because I don't like that Destin road. Get on. Highway 7.
Copy that. I'm on your left side.
Good deal. Cleared the Highway 7. When it's clear for me to do so, I need to come to the right one lane. Please bring it over anytime you want. Thank you. Hold here. Hold this lane. Be careful once we come up around here, because your lane will come to an end eventually. You'll have to merge in behind me. Down here? Copy. There's nothing coming up to the left behind me so far. That's good, because I'm taking it, Jerry. I'm going to come down here a little bit, and I'll let you scoot over. Guy on my right, get in behind me.
We got her, Kenny.
These two, get up here to where these out, and I'll let you give me a ranger.
Copy that. got her.
Thank you.
Give you as much room as I can.
427 here. Yeah, I got a back heavy here to let you have a space to get me. Okay, there you go. Number 1. And 1 more. Hold here, because we're not riding out of there. Yeah, I got another 18 dump trailer coming down here at us too.
After the box truck, I got your fire left.
Yeah, 10 more. I'm gonna see if he gets it or not. Length 1, 2, and 3 for 427 south. No shoulder as we come across.
Got her all for you, Kenny.
10 more. He's laying 1 and 2, lane 3 ends here for 427 south.
Flip her over, buddy. We got her all.
Thank you.
Okay, we're giving you all lanes here till we're cleared the Dixie Road and getting onto Kawartha.
So it's sort of left side, left shoulder, right shoulder's clear. 4 or 5 feet all the way around, and we come into 3 lanes. And there's the police waiting for us here.
You got her all back here. We're going to give them all 3 lanes here, Bruce.
Copy. Alright, they've got the, hang on, stop this guy. Okay, here we go. Still green, white hand still up. Lake Shore's up ahead.
So locked up back here, Kenny.
10 more. Here's Hydro right here for a right turn.
Here comes the officer.
Okay, you're looking good all the way around there so far. You are around.
Looking good on the left.
Keep it going, you're looking good on the right. Clear the gate on the right.
10-4, Kenny. Well, then we're out of here. Nice running with you again. We'll catch you on the next one.
10-4, thanks for all your help.